Hi, this is Charlie with another Ayers Auto Tip of the Week. When you go in for a regular service, the technician should check the air filter to let you know if the filter needs to be replaced. Clean air filters do have an effect on your long-term mileage. If you have been in an area of extreme fires or bad air quality, you may find you need to change the air filter more often. In many cars these days, air filters have electronic sensors attached to them. So be cautious if you decide to replace it yourself to not damage any sensor in the air filter unit.
Join Ayers Repairs Car Club and receive over $780 worth of auto repair services for only $248.95, which is the best car care value. We'd like to thank Ayers Automotive Repair for supporting your moment of trust with timely advice from BBB of the Tri-Counties. Ayers Automotive Repair is a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, providing dependable, trustworthy auto repair services in Santa Barbara since 1979.